guys, and today I'm showing my fidgets that I all have. First we're starting with the big one. Giant fidget. And I think this one is the DI one about this one. But this one is already broken, so I don't want it. I just throw it away when I don't want it because it's already broken. And I got this one. And I reached this one and this one. I have the squishy cat here. And I have a dimple. I have a mini poppet butterfly. You can hang it on. I used to hang it on in one of these sides of these little holes and in my backpack. Oh wait, I forgot to show you the one I just threw away. I got this one. Yeah, that one's the one that I just threw away. And I got this one. This one. Somebody has it already. It's from Dana. It's over there. Okay. What? Why? Fine. So, this one, and I'm sure I don't throw any more of these. Right? I don't know. And I got this pop-up bracelet. And this pink butterfly simple dimple. Sorry. This thing, I don't know what it's called. I don't know. This kind of squishy. And this poppet. This squishy. Oh, I have this hand sanitizer, but I'm running out of them because, like, in my school, everyone was so excited to use my fidgets because I never had some when I was in the first grade. I had none of them. I had 0. The only one is I had a broken stress ball. It's hard to squish, and now it's broken, but I didn't want it anymore. I don't know why, because it was ugly. That was a skill. That is a skill. That is all my fidgets I have.